Here we have the D name exhaust. You can open it up. Oh man. The LED light headlight came in just now too, so we're gonna install that one later too. And you gotta steer it again. The screw ball. Or is it using the same? See, no, the smaller. Like this, 12, 13? 13 maybe? It has to be 12. Run it. Tighten these. Or you just twist it and pull it out. Right here. Yep. Right here. And then there's like a little clip here. You just clip it out. And just throw this one over here. That's it. This is what we changed, and this is the original one that came with it. More yellow than the other one. It's more wider, so you see the difference. Now we're gonna do this side. So yeah, let's take that out. Oh no! Oh, I lost it. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, we didn't.
It's right there, but
you just turn it. You twist it, and then you pull it out. And then you just take this.
Grab this thing before I lose it even more.
Yeah. Now we have. We do the same thing on this side. We did the other side. Twist and I'm just gonna twist it and pull it out. Wobble it out. So was it this way or was it the Oh, I don't know what that.
All right, Pa, we got it.
You got it already?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the lights. Bend down, see if it's gonna come out.
This one, just put it down here. It's right down on the front bumper.
And then you just twist. Like it's locked. It's just because you lost it, so.